Entire homeopathy is undergoing transformation and modernization, especially in the subject of materia medica and repertory, because they are highly interconnected subjects. But unfortunately, that is not the story with our beloved organon. We all know that if you consider Quran for Muslims, if you consider Bible for Christians, if you consider Bhagavad Gita for Hindus, Organon is the Bible of homeopathic religion. It is a rule book of homeopathic practice. I personally believe that Organon of medicine is the father tongue of homeopathy. I firmly believe that materia medica will give you the remedy, but how to apply is Organon. And especially when you have challenges in managing difficult cases, it is absolute Organon. So, to my opinion, ultimately, what I personally believe is that failure in homeopathic practice on the part of a homeopath or difficulties in managing challenging cases on the part of homeopath is because 80% of the people don't understand how to apply Organon, how to apply theory given in Organon. Organon of Medicine is a book, a masterpiece from the desk of Samuel Hahnemann, has all the ideas, has all the problems and all the solutions what Hahnemann was able to see in his practice. And in his time, without the use of technology, without the use of softwares, without the use of latest developments, with limited number of remedies, if he is able to produce great success in homeopathic practice, why we are not able to do so? Because ultimately we do not follow Organon properly. And because the Organon of medicine is not in an advanced form, in a digital form, in a modernized form, the way we see in repertory, the way we see in materia medica. Like, I give you an example. If you see repertory, ultimately, repertory is a book, has bold letters, remedy in bold, remedies in italics, remedies in normal, black color. But ultimately, it's a book which is in black color. Agree? But when you see the softwares of homeopathy, there are so many softwares available in homeopathic market. If you see the softwares in homeopathy, you see bold remedies in red, you see blue italics, you see normal in black. So the way materia medica and repertory has undergone development in the softwares, the way repertory has undergone development in software in terms of gradation, that is unfortunately not the case with our Organon. If you see in the book version of Organon, everything is written in a black color. We have head note, we have footnote. Head note is of little larger in font, footnote is very small in font, maybe you need a magnifying glass to read it well. So book form of Organon has lot of limitations as well as lot of difficulties in understanding the subject in a better way. Apart from that, Hahnemann or maybe the translated version, what we are reading from the original German language written by Hahnemann has long sentences, lot of comma, lot of semicolons, lot of ambiguous words, lot of difficult English words have been there. And in this book form, we see everything in black color. So the main reason is readability of Organon. Readability of the Organon is a big problem. Into that, something very important, what I personally believe is that the way we have gradations in repertory, desire for sweets plus 1, desire for sweet plus 2, desire for sweet plus 3, or hot patient plus 3, chilly patient plus 3, ailment from anger suppressed plus 3, plus 2, plus 1. Similarly, the gradation of information given in Materia Medica, given in repertory is not there in Organon. So gradation of information in Organon, I believe, has to be there. Being a postgraduate in Organon of Medicine, having read Organon for more than 700 times in my life, I personally believe that Organon needs a lot of development. What is the main problem is that it has very heavy English with complex and ambiguous words. Like not infrequent means frequent. Not impossible means possible. So in a way, the way Organon has been written is a dry subject. It makes a dry subject. But it is equally true that, and I'm sure you will agree, that Organon is a rule book of homeopathic practice. It is a map of homeopathic success. So Organon needs to be understood in an equally important way, the way we value Materia Medica as well as repertory. I hope you all will agree. Into this, we have lack of headings, lack of indexing of the aphorisms. One title, Mission of the Physician, aphorism number 1. It does not mean only the mission of the physician. First aphorism also explains about palliation. First aphorism is one of the most spiritual aphorism, the entire Organon. So there are so many things which in one aphorism itself you can learn. But the title is only one. So that is giving us a very limited understanding. And that is one of the reasons why we have a lot of complexities in order to apply Organon. Along with that, old terminologies have been used. Phthisis, say for example, it's tuberculosis now. There are so many old terminologies, outdated words have been used. And in this, the most important, what I personally believe, is that the intensity of the symptoms given in Materia Medica, the intensity of the information given in repertory, because they are interconnected, somewhere should be there in Organon as well, because words shows surface of the sentiments. We say to our wife, right, I love you, but how much kilogram I love you? Nobody can tell. So in a book form, we have in Organon, we have surface of the sentiments written by Hahnemann. But you need to go deeper. You need to go much more deeper than beyond his words. You need to read between the lines in order to understand what actually Hahnemann means. And that's why Organon is always being said that some books are to be tasted, some books are to be chewed, and some books are to be digested. There will be hardly a homeopath in this whole world who became successful ignoring Organon. I am absolutely sure there will be no one. So these are the problems what we usually face while reading the book version of the Organon. So friends, I present to you, probably in the first time in the history of homeopathy, Dr. Hahnemann's Digital Organon of Medicine. Being a postgraduate in the Organon of Medicine, being proud child of Dr. Samuel Hahnemann, and applying every aphorism, set of aphorisms, or even words from the Organon into my day-to-day practice, I really believe that the development needed, I have been blessed enough to produce for the first time in front of the profession, in which I have tried to give gradation of the information in the Organon. Important words have been highlighted bigger, different color fonts have been used, italics have been used, bold have been used, shadowing of the words have been used. Long sentences have been cut into parts and made it short in order to understand the reader in a better way, without compromising the meaning of the whole big line. Multiple color fonts, highlighters, animations, boxes, arrows, multiple graphical representations have been made in order to understand the broader meaning of the simple words written in the book. There have been corrections also made carefully and categorically to the complex and old words used in the Hahnemann contacting dictionary and under the guidance of medical people, so that it can be more relevant to the present situation. So the book version is now into the digital version where I can say you watch books, don't read books. Into that, one line aphorisms has been now converted into one title of the aphorism and multiple clinical points to learn. In one aphorism, maybe you have 10 clinical points to learn. In one aphorism, you may be having 6 clinical points to learn, and that is other than the title of the entire aphorism. So I am introducing for the first time concept of clinical points to learn from the organon, from the paragraphs. And here, the video version, the digital version is my lectures on organon, which is conveying more deeper meaning, more intense meaning, more broader meaning of the words used by Hahnemann. As I said, words show surface of the sentiments. Here, I have tried to give more intense information, more intense idea what Hahnemann has tried to write down in his book. And in such digital version, I have tried to use certain words carefully, critically, and very conscientiously whenever there is a need, because this organon has very heavy English language. In order to understand the reader in a very simple way, the word which has been added by me are in bracket with cut on it. So this is my addition. If you see repertory, deleted remedies have been cut on it. Similarly, in the organon, it has been cut on it. So in this way, I have tried to make organon more broader. I have tried to make organon more simple. And at the same time, I have tried to make organon more applicable for the best of success. In this, there are many aphorisms given free in these different chapters. There are total 6 parts we have produced from the e-learning at SHA. That is theory part 1, practical part 1, practical part 2, practical part 3. Then full practical part, that is 71 to 294. And entire organon from 1st to 294. So depending upon your interest, depending upon your wish, you can go for any of the course of your purpose. All the parts have a free video to watch. You will come to know what kind of interpretations, what kind of corrections, what kind of developments have been made in organon carefully. So my dear friends, I present to you Dr. Hahnemann's Digital Organon of Medicine, which will help you to boost up your practice. Thank you very much.